In the world of automotive tuning, few companies stand out like Damned, a Japanese tuning house known for its eccentric and bold transformations. Ahead of the 2025 Tokyo Auto Salon, Damned has once again stunned car enthusiasts with an unexpected and audacious creation, the WR-V Reverb. This isn't just a simple body kit or cosmetic tweak, it's a full-on homage to the legendary 1990s Jeep Cherokee XJ. What started as Honda's modest and budget-friendly WR-V SUV has been reimagined with a vintage off-road aesthetic that blends elements of both rugged adventure and nostalgic family trips. Introduced in 2023, the Honda WR-V is designed more for daily urban commuting than rugged off-roading. A compact crossover, it's ideal for city life with its practical and efficient design. However, Damned's transformation of the WR-V takes it in a completely new direction, making it look like it's ready for the toughest terrains, even if the vehicle's actual capabilities remain suited to the streets. The result is a clever and fun exercise in style over substance, offering a fresh, unique look that's full of character. So, what exactly has Damned done to the WR-V Reverb to give it this retro, Jeep-inspired makeover? The most striking change is the front end, which has been reworked to mimic the classic XJ Cherokee. Gone is the standard WR-V's mild front fascia, replaced by a rugged 6-slot grille that instantly evokes memories of the iconic Jeep. The rectangular headlights, another nod to the Cherokee's utilitarian design, give the WR-V a more aggressive, adventure-ready look. Damned went even further by adding vintage-style decals, which include subtle references to the wood paneling that was once a staple on American station wagons in the 1980s and 1990s. The result is a unique fusion of Jeep toughness and nostalgic family road trip vibes. In terms of bodywork, the WR-V Reverb takes on a more boxy, utilitarian profile. The hood is more angular, adding to the overall ruggedness of the design. The front bumper has been redesigned with unpainted plastic elements and faux aluminum accents, reinforcing the impression that this SUV is built for the outdoors, even if it's still primarily a front-wheel drive vehicle. To complete the look, Damned outfitted the WR-V with black steel wheels and BF Goodrich mud terrain tires, giving it a look that suggests it could handle an off-road adventure, even though it's far from being a true off-roader. Despite all these off-road-inspired design elements, the WR-V Reverb still remains true to its practical roots. Under the hood, it retains the same 1.5-liter IVTZ engine as the standard WR-V, producing 119 horsepower and paired with a CVT transmission. This means that, while the WR-V Reverb may look ready for adventure, it's still fundamentally a city car designed for everyday driving, not off-road dominance. What's particularly interesting about the WR-V Reverb is that, while it's the star of Damned's Tokyo Auto Salon showcase, it's far from the only quirky project on display. Damned also introduced a modified Toyota Sienna Stewart, a minivan with a Mini Cooper-style grille, and the N-Box Custom Rodney, a sporty take on the Honda N-Box K car. Another standout is the Taft Lucky, which transforms the Daihatsu Taft into a retro safari-inspired off-roader, showing just how creative Damned can get with their designs. Although the WR-V Reverb may not be suited for hardcore off-roading, it's a nostalgic and fun homage to the 1990s, offering a refreshing look at how retro styling can still work in today's automotive landscape. It's proof that a little creativity can transform even the most humble vehicles into something extraordinary. Whether you're a fan of the original Jeep Cherokee or simply appreciate unique automotive creations, the WR-V Reverb is sure to turn heads. For those interested in creating their own quirky, retro-inspired vehicle, Damned offers these customizations either as complete builds or DIY conversion kits, allowing enthusiasts to bring a touch of eccentricity to their own cars.